welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to my channel. I'm Tia. I upload 4 times a week, Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, and Sunday. I do mostly synthetic wig related content. If you haven't subscribed, please do so. Today we have a wig review, and I have a Mayde beauty wig, and I am already feeling this chick. And this is Miss Holly. I'll put all the deets of where I got her, where you can get her, how much she is, and all that. But this is called 5-inch lace and lace. And I have Holly in the color BF1B627. She has this sort of like face framing highlight situation. She's heat safe up to 400 degrees. I got this wig at Wig Types for $29.94. I love Holly. Holly is a yaki texture. She's going to be in the 28 inch. She's pretty long, beautiful wave. She is a deep right-sided part, which I don't usually like that, but I'm really loving how this is laying. And I put heat on her. All the clips of me getting to her together will be after this. I did put heat on her. I put heat on her and a little bit of hairspray, but I could put a tiny bit more just to make sure she stays over to the side. But other than that, and putting powder in the part, like she took like a half a minute to get together. She may snag a little bit, not getting a little bit of shedding, not much, but because of her texture, you just want to keep on her with a detangling comb, mostly at the ends. Let's look at her from the back. Oh yeah, look at that color and that movement. I'm feeling this chick. She is pretty long. She's definitely 28 to 30 inches long. I am 5'6.5", and this is all the hair to the front. She is going just below my boobage. Really like this girl. The density is very nice. It would be on a little bit of the thicker side, but I think it's gorgeous and beautiful. She does have a very large wig cap, I'm going to tell you that. I had to tighten her several times. Look how cute. Yeah, really liking this girl. Okay, so love her. Love Holly. This is what I have for you for Holly. If you have this wig and you have any thoughts, please put that down below. If you have another Mayde beauty wig that you would like me to review, also put that down below. If you haven't subscribed, please do so. If you have, thank you so much. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.